Go home happy with the 2019 Chrysler Pacifica. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 35,000 miles on the odometer. The Pacifica delivers the ultimate in family-focused transportation. Its excellent ergonomics, amenities, and safety features inspire confidence and assure comfort for everyone. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: navigation system, keyless entry, sun, moonroof, power liftgate, backup camera, fog lamps, electronic stability control, third row seat, aluminum wheels, seat memory. Enjoy the peace of mind that comes from knowing your most precious cargo is in good hands. The Pacifica has your family's back. Test drive it today.